Hello. What's your name?
My name's Rosie.
And my name's Tim.
Hello, class. My name's Miss Jones. Oh, who's this?
He's my cousin, Billy.
Hi, Billy. How old are you?
I'm 2.
I'm sorry. Come on, Billy.
Goodbye.
Look at the train, Rosie.
A train? Oh, Billy. They're my school things. Look. What's this?
It's a pen.
And what's this?
It's a rubber.
That's right. Can I have my school things, please?
Oh, OK. Here you are. Your pencil, pen, ruler and rubber.
My name's Emma. This is my school bag. This is my pencil case. It's green. And this is my pencil. This is my blue pen. And this is my pink pen. Look at this. It's a rubber. Can I see your bag?